According to a UK intelligence report, Russia is likely continuing to struggle to extract and repair thousands of military vehicles that have been damaged during the war in Ukraine. In its daily intelligence update, the UK Ministry of Defense said, inconclusive fighting continues in both the Donbas and Kherson sectors. Russian commanders continue to face a dilemma, whether to resource the offensive in the east or to bolster the defense in the west. The update noted that on July 18, British intelligence identified a Russian military vehicle refit and refurbishment facility near Barvanok in Russia's Belgorod Oblast, 6 miles from the Ukrainian border. At least 300 damaged vehicles were present, including main battle tanks, armored personnel carriers, and general support trucks, the update said. In addition to its well-documented personnel problems, Russia likely continues to struggle to extract and repair the thousands of combat vehicles which have been damaged in action in Ukraine. Given that thousands of military vehicles, including tanks, armored personnel carriers, trucks and other vehicles, have been lost in the current phase of the war in Ukraine, Russia has great problems maintaining the mobility of its army in Ukraine. Even before the beginning of the invasion, Western intelligence services indicated that the Russian army did not have enough trucks to carry out logistical tasks. With the destruction of over 20 Russian warehouses with American HIMARS systems, Ukraine introduced additional confusion in the Russian ranks and completely stopped the Russian offensive in the Donbas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.